Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell no.
Baby, stop. Baby, stop it. Baby.
Let her do it.
No.
Let her do it.
It's the way she tries to get it away. She starts kissing him.
Bottom lip.
No.
Amanda.
Upper lip is smaller. Just say it.
Yeah.
Just say
Hell
it.
no. Baby, no.
Stop it. I'm gonna rub it all over your face.
I'll let you draw my arm.
No.
Baby, stop
Stop
it.
moving.
Baby, it's too close.
Shreve, I can save you.
Baby, I can
Just say the word.
Eli, just save me.
Alright.
Eli, pimp in distress.
Hey, hold on. Hey, Andy's gonna make him run more if he puts it on.
I said that on my forehead.
Almost.
Hey, Andy's gonna make him run if he puts it on.
Maybe I just put it in.
I guess.
Come on, please just let her do it. I want to see
Andy.
what it looks like.
Shreve,
Please.
I'll put it on
Andy's gonna
mine.
make you run if he sees that on you.
Baby, no.
I'll put it on mine and then I'll put it on
He's gonna make us all run.
Oh yeah, he's gonna make us all run. That's right.
No, you just put that on.
Andy, don't put that on or else we're all gonna run.
Why would you do that?
It's genius.
Stop it.
It's genius.
I'm gonna tell everybody why we have to run at practice.
It's because Shreve just wanted to put some lipstick on.
No. Why would you do that? Baby, you know what you should do? You know what you should do?
once. Oh, take it right off.
You're gonna waste that whole lipstick on.
Come on, just let her do it.
Maybe.
Stop rubbing it off.
I felt it. Look at somebody.
It's on your forehead too.
Okay, do
You put that on your lips? Oh my god, that is horrible. No, no. Oh, that is horrible. What is wrong with you? Why would you do that?
No!
Happy now?
She just went Simba on you.
That's funny. I have makeup remover.
Y'all put that on your lips?
Oh, yes, we do.
It tastes like onions and cheese.
What?
And salt.
Here, come here. And smoke?
No.
Do you have red? Let me see the red.
If
I don't
pink
know if I
had a
have it.
taste, that would be the taste. Like,
Gross.
that's that song?
Yeah, it's, I can't tell. Your bottom lip's just really bad.
We're about to put red on you, baby.
Who's gonna put red on who?
Dude, my God smells like shit.
The fuck you are.
Eli, no.
Here, let me put some on you.
All I
You
can
like it? We put some on you?
Fuck that.
Come here, Eli.
Fuck that. Ow.
Let's put some
Stop. No. Fuck that.
Eli. I will hold the camera.
Hold this.
I will hold this bag.
Yeah.
So you didn't see me like 5 minutes ago? You're gonna say from 5 minutes ago, Mr. Bowers? I said you just don't like me.
Let me put some on you. She.
Yep.
That's all over